kilometers away from the Hyderabad location, which is called as 𝗩𝗚𝗘𝗢𝗢, and this is totally 13-acre farmland here, and out of which we are using we have used only 20 by 30 for this farmhouse construction. And you can see our other updates in starts of this video of this site. Currently I am updating you the live position, what the work is going on. Total structure work is completed, foundation, structure, and wall installation, roofing, everything is completed. So here you can see we have used the 18 fiber cement board, which were rectified. And sorry for the interruption. Since this is a remote place, there is some connectivity problem, and the total structure is different. The roof is totally different. It's a totally L shape, two side slope. It's a typical structure we have done here, first time we have done. And we have used external walls 3-inch and internal 2-inch, which is walls position is already completed, windows fixed, one coat putty is done, waterproofing is done, and the door frames is done, electrical work is done, plumbing work is done. The pending work is some civil work is there, which is required to keep some things. That work is pending, and other than that, you can see there one shed is there that is totally completed, and this some sajja type work is going on. And this is 8 by 5 washroom with 2-inch wall panels we have done, one ventilator inside, one commode we have put. And this work is completed, only painting is pending. Here from the outside, one coat putty is done, one coat putty is done, windows work is done, sajja work is going on. Though we have extended 1 feet on the roof also, still we are giving additional safety for the windows with the sajjas. The windows we have used as UPVC windows, and wall panels we have used. You can see here Birla Aerocon we have used 3-inch wall panel. This is the Birla's 18 fiber cement board, and some civil work of this work is pending, where we do some kind of tapering to protect it from entering the water inside. So plumbing work is done. Once the tile work is done, plumbing fittings will happen. And let's see, and this is beautiful farm. This is separate stand for the water tank, and this is the outside view. This foundation scope was with the client scope, because since the ground, from the ground it is 3 feet 4 feet height, so foundation scope we have left with the client, and rest of the scope it was under our putty, painting, plumbing, electrical, door, window, roofing, waterproofing, everything was in our scope. So we'll take you inside, we'll show you. And you can see here, once we enter, see, this is outside we have used the 3-inch wall, and the door frames what we have used is WPC door frames. In this panel we have some flexibility, like door size, whatever size we want, we can cut it anytime, and we can change it also. Here the door we are increasing the height since the flooring is coming, so this door frame will go up. These are the UPVC windows, and this is hall, and false ceiling work is done. Part work is pending because client wanted to satisfy and see whether there is water leakage or not. From our side there is no water leakage, and there is no water leakage. So one coat this is completed, putty is completed. This electrical part, square 3-inch wall is we have used the concealed wiring. This board also will go inside, so here This is the kitchen area, and phone banje po. So this is how we'll take the grooves inside. This is 3-inch wall. This will be packed, and all these steel columns, and this nowhere you will be able to see. Most probably once again I'll make a live with the full finished structure. Some part work is pending, so you'll not be able to see all this steel wherever now it is. We will cover it with all the gypsum or fiber cement board, and the top this will come with the false ceiling. Here the platform also we have used with the 3-inch wall panels, 3-inch panels, and the top we have used the 2-inch panels. On top of this, if you want granite tile, whatever you want, we can use it. The racks also, inside the racks also it will come. So this is before putty application, and this is after putty application. One more coat is pending. These are the UPVC windows which can be easily fixed in this 3-inch wall panels or 2-inch wall panels. And this is one bedroom, and here also this will be covered. Only from one part there is a water leakage because of the screw hole was there, and so this is a 2.5 track window, UPVC window we have used with the cooling glass. This column also will be covered, and here the tiles will come, floor tiles, 2x2 tiles, and this is washroom. Here you can see this is the concealed PVC pipes we have used, Flow Guard company. All the branded materials we have used for this client. It depends on the budget. These are all the WPC door frames for washroom also. Doors are also there, and this some part civil work is there. Only this civil work will be there in this kind of construction, foundation and this one. So we'll show you once it is the final. By next week, hopefully this should be done. Why this is on hold is because client is not available, and clients wants to see whether there is any water leakage or not. As per our checking morning, what I have checked, there is no water leakage from these boards. These boards joint we have filled with the POP, and on the top of that we have applied 3 coats of waterproofing membrane. So 100% there is no chance, and on top of that again cementing and clay tile will come. So there will not be any water leakages, 100% for sure for this side. And you can see the design here, the 2 side slope we have taken like this, from these two. It's a typical design actually. You can see here it's very difficult to execute, but still we have done because of our expertise. And this is the update. We'll update you in the next video by next week, something like that, and we'll show you how the final finish will look, and we'll show you in the last budget, or in the last video I'll give you the budget in detail. I'll give you for walls what was the budget, and we have used, you can see here, this Birla putty we have used, quality materials we have used. This is skin bond profile all, and this you can see here, this is the Apollo company steel we have used. All quality materials we have used. This is gold medal wire, also Phenelex we have used, and all quality materials we have used. False ceiling we have used the simple material because not much quality gyprock something like board is required. So for that we have used normal this thing. Wherever normal to be used we will use. Wherever we will use the quality, we'll use it. So this part will be open like this only. If the clients wish to close this with the board or PVC, we can close it again. But in our scope, this is not there. So keep subscribe to our channel. If there is any update, or if any query is there, you just drop me a message or WhatsApp me. My number is there on my description. And thank you and have a nice day.